Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create fun 3D effects from your images for free. Now in order to do it, you don't even need any third-party application or software, you just need a browser. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for 3dthis.com. You can see the right username over there, just simply hit 3dthis.com, a very interesting username. Let's wait for the website to get load. Here you can see this option which says 3D face. Just simply hit there, and once you do that, just simply select the image you want to 3D. You want to make it 3D. For example, if I select, let's say this image. For example, if I select this image, now here I have to search, hit this find face, and it will automatically analyze automatically analyze the face. Uh, Maybe there's some issue with the picture. I just hit find face, and I just need to hit next, and you can see a very funny yet interesting 3D face is generated that I can use anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.